dito na naman kami sa another nice garden. Tingnan nyo. Nice garden. So, ito belongs to the national properties. So this place here is belong to what you call it, that National Trust, guys. So ito yung house, malaki. So belong to National Trust. Open for public, pero pag hindi ka member, mas mahal yung babayaran, guys. So kami member kami, so wala kaming babayaran. So this is the mansion, guys. This is the house. You see, that's the mansion. So this house here, guys, it's belong to the National Trust. It's belong to the public. So but ang ganda. So mag-ikot-ikot tayo dito sa garden. Dito na naman tayo sa garden nila. Ang ganda dito, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ikot ko kayo para na kahit nasa picture lang o sa video, makarating kayo dito. Diba? Yan, o, tingnan nyo yung ano. Yan. Diba, paikot. Ganda ng ano. Ang hedge. Yung arch. Ikot ko kayo, guys, ha? Para na makarating din kayo dito. Ito din yung isa sa tourist attraction dito sa sa Belfast, sa Northern Ireland, guys. This is the big estate. So look at that step. Are they gorgeous? No. So tingnan nyo, guys, yung step nila, cover ng ano. Actually, this is a step. Yan, tingnan nyo. Diba? Ang ganda kaya, no? It's amazing. There's like a daisy here, yeah. So it's like the entrance, guys. It's not the entrance, it's the back entrance to the garden. Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, another flowers. Today, it's a good day. It's sunny. Actually, this week it's almost rainy every day. So only today is a good day. So dito labas naman kami ni Daddy ko. Tingnan nyo, may water lily. Pero wala pang bulak. So ngayon dito kami naman ni Daddy nag-ikot-ikot bukas stay at home naman kami kasi not good weather tomorrow. Diba? Ang ganda. itong garden nila guys. Super laki. Doon pa sa kabila. Tingnan nyo. Ganda. It's quite long, isn't it? The stick, the stalk. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Parang COVID. Yan. May pahingaan guys. Their pagoda. Grabe ang ano. It's quite high, isn't it? Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, ang laki. Look. Sobrang laki oh. Yan. Tingnan nyo. So, dito na naman kami ni Daddy Cool. Ikot-ikot. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda. You look like a COVID. See there? You look like a COVID. Yeah. Oh, this one guys. Very nice. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang ganda oh. They're beautiful. Look. See? Diba? Tingnan nyo ito. Ito naman, another side of the garden. Ayan, guys. Diba? So, akyat tayo dito. Tingnan nyo. Ang gaganda. Ayan, guys. Yellow, yellow. Ayan. Yeah. This the hand. Oh, this is. Yeah. You see this one, guys? Have you noticed? It's a sign of hands. So that's a what's it called again?
The red hand of Ulster.
The red hands of Ulster.
Symbol of this country.
Yeah, that's a symbol part of this country. The red hands of the Ulster. So this one here is a harps. So this is the Irish harps. Yan. Yung design nila, oh. Irish harps. Yan. Yan, tingnan nyo. Yun ba, ang ganda ng paso. Ang laki. Yan. Meron din sa kabila. Ayan. Look at that tree, guys. It's quite big. See that trees? Yan, ang laki din, oh. Yan. Yan, oh. Ang ganda, guys. Yan. Quite nice, guys. Pinky orange, isn't it? Yan. See that tree, guys? Tingnan nyo. Sobrang laki, oh. Grabe. Yan. It's a lot of branches. I think maybe over 200 years old. Yeah, this tree here. It's amazing. Imagine over 200 years old. O, diba? Yan. So, nandito na tayo. Balik na tayo sa big house. Sobrang laki ng garden. So, hindi pa namin naikot, guys. Siguro 1/4 pa lang yung nalakad-lakad namin ni Daddy. Pero tingnan niyo. So this is popular in summertime for the family. Yung mga kids nila mag-run anywhere. So yan. At dito sa house, pwede mag-tour sa loob, guys. Ang ganda sa loob. So pwede mag-tour, parang castle sa loob. Pero hindi na kami mag-tour today kasi ilang beses na kami pumasok diyan. Ang ganda ng step. Hello guys, this is a nice garden. More flowers. quite big, are they? There's a purple one here, Dad. Ganda, guys. So, nandito kami sa Antrim Castle Ground. Naglakad-lakad naman kami ni Daddy dito sa beautiful garden nila. Ito malapit na ito sa amin na, guys. Mga ano lang, mga 5 minutes drive lang. So nandito kami ni Daddy, lakad-lakad. So, ang lalaki nito. Diba? Maganda. Oh my God. Mayroong kumakanta. There's a song. Actually, this is Millennium Garden. Millennium. So, dito sa Antrim Castle Ground. Oh, laki-laki niya. My creation. That's my music, guys. Oh, tingnan niyo. Tingnan niyo ang laki, oh. Yeah? Is what? Oh, yeah. Look, guys, you can see the trees. They go round. They're moving. Ang dali lang, guys. Punta tayo dito, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Yung trees. They're dancing. Are they dancing? You know. Nagda-dancing, oh. They're dancing. How come they? Dad, how come they're dancing? They're moving. Oh, even the other one there. You see that one there? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Actually, guys, this is it's not a plastic. This is the like what's it called? Fresh real. This is a real trees. Huh? The one inside. Alright, okay. Ang ganda kaya, oh. Look, tingnan nyo yung doon sa may ano, oh. Sa may doon sa may house. Ang dali lang, guys. You know, go round and around. How come they do this? Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. They go round and around. At look at the trees. You see yung trees, oh. They go round. Ah, that's nice. So fairy tale. Yun, guys, oh. Yung may ikot-ikot sila, oh. Tapos this one. Look at this, oh. Yan. Tingnan nyo, oh. Oh. Yan, oh. Parang enchanted garden, Dad, isn't it? Parang enchanted garden. It's like an enchanted garden. You see when the music starts? They're dancing. You see, guys, oh. Like, you see? All green. So cool. So, ikot-ikot ko kayo, guys. This is the Millennium Garden. Dito sa Castle Ground namin. This is the Castle Ground. Beautiful, isn't it? See there? guys, oh. This is the Millennium Garden. So dito yun sa Castle Ground namin. 5 minutes drive from the house. Platinum. So, yeah. So this is the Castle Ground. So this is Antrim Castle Garden. So ito oh, ganda. Ayan. Ang ganda. Green na green guys. Tapos yung roses. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Ito yung Castle Ground namin. Ayan. Ganda ng roses. Ayan. Tapos yun yung toilet nila dyan. Tingnan nyo. Very neat. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ang garden. Ayan ang bulaklak. So, iikot ko kayo dito sa Castle Ground namin, guys. Ayan. Garden. So, ang ganda kaya. Ang ganda dito, guys. It's very nice. Madaming pumupunta dito. Nagbibisita sila. Ito part ito ng castle ko. So, sa dali ko yung tingnan mo, diba? Ganda-ganda. Ayan. So, ito naman. Ayan. Diba? Yung arch nila. Grabe. Ganda. Hindi pa masyadong yung mga bulak. Another a week. Maganda na yung dito guys. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga hedge oh. Yun. Tingnan nyo yun. Okay guys, pagkita ko sa inyo. Diba how green? Green na green siya. Yun. Tapos dito naman sa kabila. Ayan. Green na green. Ito naman yung actual na garden guys. Yan. So actually yung mostly dito kami ni daddy din naglalakad. Diba? Actually tinanggal na yung ibang flowers kasi yung mga tulips. So magtatanim sila ng another new one. Yan. Diba? Yung arch nila. Yan si Daddy Cool. 2 cars. Oh, yes. They're very nice green hedges. Isn't it that? So, yan. Yan. May river din dito guys. Sa tabi ng Castle Ground. So this is a wee castle, like a chimney there.
Right, so just the tower.
There's a tower. Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's a 100 years ago. There's a castle around here, guys. Yeah.